Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn about a word that is Kingfisher. Say with me, Kingfisher, Kingfisher, Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a small bird and it is very beautiful and colorful bird. It has a blue and orange color. It has a blue and orange color and it has a very sharp beak. Yes, it has a small and sharp beak and it has a two feathers. It has a two wings and it has a feathers with blue and orange color and it has a two small legs and their beak is very strong. Their beak is very strong. They has a two legs, two small legs, and they has a small tail, and they can sit near the water. Yes, they sit near the water because they like the quiet place. They want the peace. They want to live in the quiet place, so they lives near the water. Like they live near the lakes, they live near the ponds, they live near the rivers. So they lives near the water like rivers, lakes, ponds. So why they love to near the water? Because they love to eat fish. See, their name is Kingfisher. Why its name is Kingfisher? Because they are the king of eating fishes. They love, their favorite food is fish. So they are the Kingfisher. They love to eat fish. So their name is Kingfisher, and that's why they live near the water because they eat fishes and they eat fish and their favorite food is fish. But they also eat the small insects and frog because they live near the water, so they eat water foods like fish, small fishes, big fishes, frogs and insects. And they can take the whole fish at a one time. Yes, they can eat the fish at a one time. And they makes their nest near the water, near the lakes and ponds.